Hello everyone, I'm Raymond Lee. Today, we're going to look at the coagulation and hemostasis process using the Yoshida CO₂ laser OpeLaser Pro 2 after a tooth extraction. First, you can see the damaged anterior teeth being carefully extracted using forceps. Once a tooth is removed, an extraction socket is left behind, which naturally leads to bleeding. Immediately after extraction, we pack gauze to the socket to absorb the initial bleeding. If bleeding persists, you should press gauze gently over the area and repeat the process. Now, let's prepare the laser for the main coagulation process. To stop the bleeding and form a blood clot, we can use Mode 3 Coagulation. For the settings, set the power to 1.0 watt. Use continuous wave for the emission mode, and set the irradiation mode to continuous. Also, make sure the cooling air function is turned off. Once the setup is complete, bring the handpiece to the surgical site. Following the recommended handpiece movement from the manual, first, maintain a 5 mm distance from the tissue for a focused exposure. Then, use a quick circular motion to create a stable blood clot. Continue this process until the bleeding subsides and a secure blood clot is formed. Lightly clean the surrounding area with gauze. If you look closely at the screen, you can see that the bleeding has stopped completely, and a very firm, stable, dark red blood clot has successfully taken its place. Perfect hemostasis has been achieved because the bleeding is perfectly controlled. The surgical field is clear, without any blood flowing into the surrounding tissues. Now, we place the pre-made temporary restoration over the extraction site. The laser allows us to move on to the next prosthetic step, cleanly and rapidly. Today we explored how to quickly and stably induce hemostasis after an extraction using the Yoshida laser's coagulation mode. Proper utilization of the laser significantly reduces the patient's stress related to bleeding and leads to much better treatment outcomes. If you would like to try the Yoshida CO₂ laser at your dental clinic, please call 703-543-2327 or visit dentalsolutionusa.com to request a demo.